My predictions for second half 2024 from content creation and AI perspective. And no, it is not about doomsday. Three things I think we need to keep an eye out for. Number one, multimodal content. Number two, content freshness and velocity. And number three, we're being much more scientific about it. Let's talk today only about the first thing, multimodal content. See, the internet as we know it for the last 20 years was mostly text-based. Websites were in text. The website crawlers understood mostly text. But now the technology understands images, video, audio, and that is why you should be creating content in those different visual formats. And that's where it's better for both the audience, but also your web scraping engines, future LLM engines. That's what they would be able to ingest a lot more multimodal content, and you can stand out. And I'll give you a little secret. The best thing you can do now is not necessarily do short form. The best thing you can do, and we are over-indexing on it, is long-form video content. An authentic long-form video content, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, represents full richness of your thoughts. And while yes, consumer attention span is small, that 2-minute, 5-minute video is going to get summarized by the LLMs and AIs into a smaller contextual summary for what the client is looking for. So your probability of reaching the consumer and being more authentic increases by making long form video out there. Controversial, but give it a try.